right, so we just came from upstairs. Now we're downstairs. As you can see down here, there's LVP flooring, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. This is your, I guess you can say, this is your dining room, of course, over there. It's maybe your living room or whatever, however you want to purpose this room. Here's your dining room that's connected to your kitchen with an open floor plan. Your family room here. So I love the openness of this room. You can entertain while you're cooking for your guests. I love that. And of course, the kitchen has all the bells and whistles that you could possibly need, from your overhead microwave, your smooth top stove, your dishwasher. I love a good dishwasher. Of course, your double sinks over the window or by the window, your refrigerator here, plenty of cabinet space. You even will find cabinet space on your little island here. Double doors that lead to your backyard, which looks like, you know, you have a shed over there in the far right corner. It's cute. Got a fireplace. Here's a little door again, I told you. Oh, so cute. All right, your washer and dryer and your half bath. So this is your half bath, which is located downstairs, which is awesome. So your guests don't have to go in your living space upstairs. And more storage for when you come right in through the front door.